Waking up stiff, off balance, like your body's out of sync? Let's change that in the next 5 minutes. If your core feels weak, hips tight, or posture collapse from desk hours, you're not broken, you're just disconnected. Today's flow reconnects it all, and one move coming up might be the key to unlocking strength and balance you've been missing. Start in tabletop, extend your right arm and left leg straight out. Keep your hips square and abs pulled in. Breathe deeply. We switch sides after 30 seconds. This move isn't just about balance. It's about reawakening the deepest layers of your core that are quietly affecting everything else. I promise, mastering this will build a rock-solid foundation for the rest of your day and your life. Beginners tap the floor with your foot between reps. Advanced stretches, hold for 3 seconds at the top. Squeeze tight. Here's a fun fact. This is a go-to move in physical therapy for spine rehabilitation. That's how powerful it is. Hold that extension for 5 more seconds. Really reach. Is your back arching? Pull your belly button in and feel the difference. That just woke up your stability. Now let's support it with alignment. Lie on your stomach, elbows under shoulders, forearms flat. Gently lift your chest and soften your glutes. You might feel the stretch immediately, or it may take 10 seconds to really sink in. I promise this will help reverse the hunch you've been carrying, open the front body, and invite calm into your nervous system. Beginners, keep your legs wide and relax fully. Advanced stretches, press firmly into your palms for a deeper lift. This pose boosts blood flow to your spine, key for mental clarity. Just try lift your heart just an inch higher and hold. Feel a pinch? Back off slightly and focus on your breath. Now that your spine's open, let's free up your hips. Lie on your back. Knees bent, lift your knees towards your chest. Slowly make large circular movements through your hip joint. Switch directions after 30 seconds. This move brings mobility to a place that often hides years of tension, and it does it gently. I promise if you stay consistent with this, your hips will feel years younger. Beginners, make small, slow circles. Advanced stretches increase the range and tempo with control. Your hips store emotion. Freeing them can affect your mood. Let go 5 more seconds in the opposite direction. Can you keep the rest of your body still while circling? That just freed your joints. Now let's open them fully. Feet wider than hips, drop into a squat. Press elbows into knees. Lift the chest. If it feels weird, good. That's your body relearning how to move. You'll feel this in your hips, ankles, and even your back. I promise this position will unlock stiffness that walking and standing alone can't fix. Beginners, elevate your heels if needed. Advanced stretches, rock gently side to side. Did you know that couches that squat daily have lower rates of hip surgery? Yep, that's a fact. Drop 1 inch deeper, 5 more seconds. Feeling pressure in your knees? Shift your weight to your heels and breathe. That just released your hips. Let's now finish with your heart wide open. Calm to all fours, then slide your hands forward, dropping your chest toward the ground while keeping your hips stacked over your knees. This is your final invitation to let go. I promise this stretch can melt shoulder tension, improve posture, and release the tension you didn't know you were carrying. Beginners, keep arms bent. Advanced stretches, rest your chin on the floor for a deeper stretch. This stretch is known to help anxiety by stimulating the vagus nerve. Reach your arms 1 inch further. Just 5 seconds longer. Do you feel this in your upper back or shoulders? That's where your release is hiding. You just gave your body 5 seconds of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your shoulders. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burnt out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture and mindset shifts that clear your mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels your energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.